Hey, we're back, guys. We left off the last time. I did a couple of half dovetail mortises to make for the hinging mechanism for the ramp of the shaving horse. So, move you a little closer. Let's see. That's what we have so far for that. I got my holes drilled through here to put the pin through so we can act as a hinge. And alright guys, it is windier than hell. Anyhow, what we're going to be working on today is I've got to get the through mortise in the base of the shaving horse. We're going to lay out the through mortise for the ramp, and just going to get as much done as we can. I'm hoping to have this thing done this weekend, so be patient, bear with me. It will be getting done soon because I've got to get back to the main project. You know, you always find a lot of side projects that always detract from the main project, and then before you know it, 20 years has gone by, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. So anyhow, we're going to get going, guys. Alright guys, so through mortise chopped. A few things I'm going to have to do here, which I knew I'd have to do. I got a radius off the bottom of the ramp. I got a radius off those hinge points, just so we can get we can get her about that high without it binding. About up there it starts binding. So the couple pegs you saw me make, they're just temporaries. I just put those in place so I can see where this is going to sit, because what we're going to do now is we're going to do the through mortise on the bench, and that way then we can make our treadle piece and all that in the head of this thing, and at least have, I kind of want to get it roughed out, and then I want to do all the finish work pretty much all at once on it, because I'm actually I'm gonna sand this down. I'm gonna radius off a lot of stuff. I'm going to shape a place for my ass so it's comfortable. So we're going to keep moving. I'm just going to pull the ramp off now. I'm going to lay out this through mortise on the underside, and then we're going to keep at it here. getting there on it. We are gaining. So I'm cutting these wedges in on the bandsaw out of the leftover cherry that came out of these. I'm not sanding that edge off right there. That's nice and rough. That'll help engage that piece it's going into. But I mean, it shouldn't go anywhere, but why take a chance, you know? That'd be a nice tight fit right there. I'm not too awful worried about this being perfect, this part of it. But see if I can cut it off without mangling it. There. Don't really need to chamfer these, but we'll just do it for the looks. Alright, well, we were running out of daylight quick. Alright, so coming up, I'm going to work on pick this back up tomorrow. Running out of daylight now. It looks brighter on the camera than it actually is out here. But, well, we're gaining on it. We're almost there. I've got to make the riser, the head of it, and the foot treadle. Pin that in. We got to make a pin for the hinges there. And we should be good to go from there. After that, I'll make the legs, and then we'll start finishing this thing off, do the final shaping and grinding and all that. I'm gonna try to speed the process up. I'll go into good detail on the foot treadle and all that, but I'm not gonna, probably won't go into too heavy detail on the finish, just probably a lot more time-lapse stuff. So anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you've been seeing, feel free to subscribe, like, whatever you feel like doing, and we'll catch you on the next one.